Oftentimes, it is a relief when a secret is revealed. Light is shed on the negative to help bring life to a situation, and strongholds can be broken. Doing the right thing is not always easy, but choosing right when you have been wrong and turning to a path of righteousness is the first step to a life of freedom and wonderful results. Anna's prayer offering for today. Father, help me to behave in a godly way that is pleasing to you. And when I fail, please help me to quickly see my wrongdoings and turn from them so that I can live a life of freedom. Amen. Meditative reading can be found in Hosea 14. May you have a Zoe Life inspired God kind of day. Be kind to yourself and gentle with others. Until tomorrow, show yourself some grace. You'll be well.